O chosen ones, listen to this with every fiber of your being. This is no coincidence. You did not stumble upon this message by chance. Heaven itself has orchestrated this exact moment for you. And right now, God is speaking directly into your spirit. He is not whispering. He's declaring with burning urgency, prepare yourself. There are 3 sacred zones of your body that must be purified every single day, without fail, without exception. This is not a suggestion. This is not symbolism. This is a divine command, and your entire destiny is tied to your obedience. The scripture declares in John 15:3, you are already clean because of the word I have spoken to you. Yet, today the Lord is reminding you that your daily acts of physical and spiritual cleansing are the very keys that unlock blessings which can come no other way. Ignore this at your own peril. Your life, your future, your breakthrough, everything depends on it. Why this urgency? Because in the coming days, 3 unstoppable waves of blessing are about to crash over your life. They will strike suddenly, like lightning that rips across the sky, and nothing in hell can stop them. These blessings are not random. They are directly connected to this daily act of cleansing and consecration. This has nothing to do with vanity or ordinary hygiene. This is about consecration, divine alignment, and spiritual preparation. You are chosen, and God's timing is flawless. The very moment you step into this daily discipline, doors will fly open, opportunities will appear out of nowhere, and miracles will unfold right in front of you. You will not have to beg. You will not have to chase. The blessings will chase you because you will finally be in perfect alignment. Beloved, remember Joshua 3:5. Consecrate yourselves, for tomorrow the Lord will do amazing things among you. This is your tomorrow. Do not let a single day pass without obeying. Your future hinges on your daily faithfulness. Cleanse, renew, and prepare, because heaven's favor is already marching toward you. Take this deadly seriously. Honor this word with action, not just hearing. Faith without corresponding action is dead. As you obey, the heavens will answer with power. You have already been feeling it. The pressure building, the deep inner stirring, the sense that everything is about to change. That is not your imagination. That is the spiritual realm trembling, because God is positioning you for a massive outpouring. But hear this clearly. Before God pours out, He must first purify. Before He promotes you, He must test and prove your obedience. As it is written in 1 Samuel 15:22, to obey is better than sacrifice. This is not optional. This is not symbolic. This is essential. Your next season is too glorious to carry old residue. There are sacred gates in your body that must be washed, blessed and anointed every single day. Neglect them, and you delay or even forfeit what God has prepared. Obey them, and you will unlock doors that have been sealed for years. Transformation always begins with preparation, and preparation always begins with purity. Psalm 24:3-4 asks, who may ascend the mountain of the Lord? Who may stand in His holy place? The one who has clean hands and a pure heart. You are being summoned to that level of purity because the weight of blessing coming to you is too great for an unclean vessel. This next move of God will be visible, generational, and undeniable, but manifestation cannot come before sanctification. God is not randomly throwing blessings around. He is raising up those who honor His word, those who cleanse themselves daily, those who make room for His Spirit. In this season, purity is not only your protection, it is your greatest power. Obey even when it feels strange, and heaven will take notice. Every act of cleansing is a declaration into the unseen realm. I am ready, and when you are ready, God releases what has been held back. Do not deceive yourself into thinking you can receive divine results. Without divine preparation, your miracle is directly connected to your obedience. You may have prayed for years, but unless you align with what God is commanding right now, you will miss what is already on its way. The cleansing God is requiring of you is sacred, specific, and daily. Through it, He will untangle every knot in your spirit, shatter chains of stagnation, and restore the full flow of your destiny. As Jesus said in John 7:38, whoever believes in me, as Scripture has said, rivers of living water will flow from within them. That river starts flowing the moment true cleansing begins. This is not a gentle suggestion. The enemy lives in delay, distraction, and disobedience. That is why heaven has interrupted your scroll with this word. Your future is screaming at your present self. Get ready. The doors are already moving, but they will only open for the one walking in purity and obedience. Ignore this, and you will walk right past your appointed season. Obey, and you will step boldly into everything prepared for you. Do not underestimate the stakes. The next few days are spiritually pregnant with turning points. Every moment of obedience now is writing your testimony for generations. God only pours new wine into new wineskins. As Jesus said in Mark 2:22, become that clean new vessel. The blessings will not trickle, they will flood. There are 3 specific blessings assigned to your name. The first will strike your career, sudden promotion, supernatural favor, doors you didn't knock on flying open. The second is a spiritual awakening that will sharpen your discernment and set your prayer life on fire like never before. The third will elevate your influence, honor, and position in ways the world will notice. But delay in obedience, delay in blessing, neglect in preparation, self-sabotage of your promotion. Now hear this, the 3 sacred parts of your body that must be intentionally cleansed every single day are your feet, your groin, your navel. Each one is a spiritual gate, a power center, an energy portal. Your feet carry your purpose. Wherever the sole of your foot treads, territory is claimed. God told Joshua in Joshua 1-3, every place where you set your foot, I have given you. When your feet are unclean, your progress is blocked. When they are washed, prayed over, and anointed, your path opens wide. Your groin is the seat of creative power, identity, and generational blessing. Your personal altar of life force. When neglected, it leaks power and invites confusion. When cleansed and declared over, it becomes a fountain of generational strength. Genesis 35:11. Your navel is your spiritual center, your original connection to life, the core of balance and vitality. Cleansing it realigns your entire being and restores divine flow. This is not superstition. Water has always marked new seasons in Scripture. Noah, the Red Sea, Naaman, Jesus' baptism. Your daily cleansing is your personal Jordan River, the dividing line between wilderness and promise. Make it deliberate. Use clean water, speak Scripture, anoint with oil if you have it. Declare as you wash, I am clean. I am aligned. I'm ready for everything God has for me. Not everyone will obey. Many will scroll past. But you, chosen one, you were led here for such a time as this. Your private obedience today will become your public overflow tomorrow. Start tonight. Do not wait. The time is now.